Marketers, trainers, and communicators from businesses both small and large all want to use more motion, animation, or doodle videos to attract and keep viewers' attention, as well as to pass on their message in a powerful and effective way. Unfortunately, without the right tool, such content is difficult to create. It requires graphical and programming expertise, or, if you outsource it, is very expensive to make. This is why we created Explain.io. The new Explain.io is a result of the collective obsession to simplify its essential functionality to build up the most efficient video creation software possible. The Explain.io 2.0 is, in many ways, the fusion of what people love about Explain.io 1.0 and new, proprietary, highly advanced video creation technology. It's simpler, yet it's more capable, and certainly more powerful. We believe the video creation is an experience. An experience is defined by the software and video assets working jointly together. We continue to refine that experience, dramatically blurring the boundaries between the two, making the Explain.io more powerful, more intuitive, and ultimately more useful. Multiple interface parts have been re-engineered to a single canvas screen, delivering seamless fusion of video creation elements. We think that video creation software with a real coherence is the result of developing code and creative video assets in unison. We believe that it's the only way to provide the video creation experience that embodies both the sense of quality and integrity synonymous with Explain.io. This means developing the new Explain.io 2.0 by creating a whole new software architecture, the whole process culminating in an extraordinary, solid, rapid video creation software. Explain.io enables people to do amazing things, and for many people, it's the most important creative tool that they use. This is why we really love making it better. And now, we're really proud to announce the first Explain.io with Hollywood-like studio video creation capability. Explain.io 2.0 is built on a foundation of features that Explain.io 1.0 video creators know and love. These include animation, doodle sketch, the full motion video, and an impressive ease of use. Now, we've added more features than any other business video creation software in the world, and we've given it a completely new user interface for even more advanced and rapid video creation. Beyond that, it comes with an integrated canvas which includes new features like sketch to animation, fully animated moving motion objects, sketch to video, and green screen support. Combined with a ton of other great features, Explain.io creates an experience that's even simpler and more useful. Bundled video assets are designed to complement Explain.io perfectly. The animated slides, doodle sketch images, and motion video backgrounds are perfectly matched to the target audience, and that excellence carries through in everything we do. This is just another great example of how we engineer and create Explain.io in harmony. Let's talk about business. 92% of the top-selling products on ClickBank, the largest digital marketplace online, use video in the sales process. That staggeringly high percentage is the clear indicator that video constantly outperforms written copy. While a written copy just sits there, a video allows you to reach out and better connect with viewers and prospects. Explain.io makes it possible to create attention-grabbing, professional-looking, marketing, advertising, and explainer videos in just minutes. That translates to more profits in a shorter amount of time without production costs, which could run up to tens of thousands of dollars, and without waiting for weeks or even months to have the video produced. Historically, those outrageous costs and long production times have led entrepreneurs or even bigger businesses to either abandon or significantly limit their video promotions. It all changes with Explain.io. Now, marketers, trainers, and communicators from businesses both small and large can use more videos to pass on their message without the previous restraints. Videos created with Explain.io come with unlimited commercial use, and can even be sold by creators to other businesses. Explain.io is the established market leader of do-it-yourself rapid business video production. Tens of thousands of creators, communicators, and businesses are already using Explain.io, with more joining every day. Now, we invite you to transform the way you make videos. Click the button below to get started. Your first video could be done in minutes.